Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Melissa and you're watching Makeover with Mel. In this video, we're going to go to a little store that is in my town. I know there's one in Beaver Dam, which is about 30 miles away from me. I'm not sure how many more there are, whether they're like worldwide or not. I haven't never really checked into it. But the name of it is Factory Connections, and they have some of the cutest clothes that I absolutely love them. They're a lot like Cato's. If you've ever shopped at Cato's, they're a lot like them, but they have Plus, they have Junior Miss, but Factory Connections has men's wear also. So if you're out looking for men's wear, that's a good place to go, and their prices are in check. They're very good. They're not too expensive, and you can get name brand things there. Right offhand, I can't think of any. But yeah, you can get name brand things there. But you all ought to check it out. I'm doing a short inside the dressing room, and I'll let you watch it, and then I'll be back to show you what I got. This first sweater was in a 2X. It was nice and flowy, and the sleeves were kind of dangly like a bell sleeve, but they were rolled up. Had a V-neck. It wasn't extremely soft, but it wasn't really what you say itchy either. But I did like it, the little details that's on it and the little design. And the bottoms were in a 16, I believe, and they were white crops. Really, really comfortable. They fit really, really good. But I did not like how the pockets sit so low on the bottom, and then it did accentuate my insecure area. But they fit really well. This next item was in a 2X, and I loved the detail at the bottom with the floral. It was not really a 3/4 sleeve, but absolutely loved the bottom. But this one, I think I should have sized up a size in a 3X to make it more flowy. It was too fitted, and the back design was so cute. Was that not adorable? The floral pattern up in like a V, upside down V. But I thought that was such a cute top. And I paired it with these jeans. They were distressed boyfriend jeans, I guess you call them. But they had pockets in the front and pockets in the back. And I believe they were in a 16 or 18. And they were rolled up. Super cute jeans. And they were soft and stretchy. Now these I liked a lot better. The pockets were a lot better on them, and they had those designs on the pockets. Super cute outfit. This next item, this shirt, I absolutely loved. I loved all the detail, the little fringes on the strings, and the design up around the collar and on the shoulders. And then it had this little, I don't know what you call that, around the bottom. But such a pretty top. It was nice and flowy. I loved the colors, and it was super comfortable. Then I paired it with these jeans. They were the 3-button bottom, your butt better or something like that jeans, but they were distressed on the hiney area. But I loved these. These are the ones I wished I'd brought home with me. But they were super cute, super comfortable. Absolutely loved them. But I've just got so many jeans. They were very distressed in the legs. They fit perfect on the waist area, and I loved the 3 buttons. But yeah, that was a super cute outfit. This next item, I absolutely fell in love with. I think I pulled it in a 3X. It come with the little gold chain, but it was nice and flowy and soft. I loved the length. It was right above the knee area. It was 3/4 length sleeve. This one I actually bought and brought home with me. absolutely loved this dress. I thought I could pair it with a pair of high brown boots or some booties and a jean jacket. I thought that would be super cute. It was a little see-through, but not enough for me not to like it. I thought it was super cute. How did you guys like those items I tried on? That last pair of jeans with all the distressing in it, and they had the 3 buttons. I absolutely love them. And that dress was awesome. And it was a 1X, and it fits so good. With my shapewear, I can rock that dress out, because that's what I bought. It is, I fell in love with the color. It's like a toasty, it's like a toasty brown or rust. I don't know what color you call that, but I absolutely love it. I think it is so pretty. And it's soft. It is kind of see-through, but I figured I could wear a slip or something like that underneath it if I needed to. But I'm going to wear it with a jean vest or a jean jacket, something like that. And I got it, and then they had shoes on sale, and I thought they would go so cute with that dress. Awesome. They are soft comfort. I got them in a size 8. But yeah, I couldn't pass it up. I love wedges. And yeah, they're so cute and they fit so good. They're so comfortable. So yeah, that's what I ended up buying. I didn't intend to buy anything when I went in there. And I ended up, the dress was $17.99 and the shoes I got for $10. You can't beat that. And I'm not sure how much they were originally, but yeah. Dress, see, was in a 1X. I can't believe I could wear it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe, hit the notification bell down below, and give me a thumbs up and share. Share my videos. My goal for 2019 is to get my channel to grow, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. It wasn't very long, but I didn't have a whole lot of time. In them dressing rooms at Factory Connections, that's the only downfall. They are so small, and a big girl like me needs a big dressing room. So I did what I could while I was in there. So I hope you all appreciate it and you all enjoyed it. So look me up on Instagram. It's MCasey, MCasey 3422. I put outfits on there that I wear every now and then when I don't have to go to work. I try to dress up, and I post pictures and little videos and stuff like that on there. And I signed up on that TikTok. So if you're interested, check me out on there. I don't even remember what my name was on there. But anyway, be sure to subscribe before you leave if you like my content. And that's all I've got for this time. So until the next video, bye guys.